Sold.
Oh!
Love it. It's like,
What do you think?
I like it.
I do like it. Yeah.
So,
So
but
which
you're
models
like
can you get? Like
you're,
which ones?
but you're a serious rider. Like you guys
Yeah.
ride gas dirt bikes. So
Yeah.
first time on a Caofen.
Love it.
Impressed? Yeah. Okay.
Love
Not
it.
even like I'm impressed. I
Yeah.
love it. Right?
Yeah.
I knew
Right,
you
From
would. I was
first
so.
to the third, at first I was like, is this all?
Like
And then
never,
you
like
switched
never
it,
buying,
and I was like, holy.
never buying a pit bike or anything for us. This is where it's at.
No kidding.
I'm so glad. I was really excited to have you try it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I rode it all soft. Like I'm too scared, but I knew you were just gonna go.
So we